Dear First Prep, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's Mr. Ahmed Mahmoud with you today to introduce a new mathematics lesson. This lesson, inshallah, is Algebra. It's Unit 2, Lesson 6. It's about multiplying binomial by an algebraic expression. All of us remember that binomial is termed by two included two terms. Okay? In this lesson, inshallah, we have four main ideas. First, we are going to learn how to multiply binomial time binomial and two other special cases. Next, we are going to learn how to multiply binomial by algebraic expression more than two terms. And then we are going to learn how to simplify long brackets included binomial multiplication. Finally, we are going to learn how to complete the missing terms. Let's start the lesson. First, if we have a binomial like 2a plus 3 multiplied by another binomial 5a plus 1, we need to know the names of each term. 2a here called first term, 3 called second term, 5a first term, 1 is the second term. Again, first term, second term, first term, second term. And this is clear here in this shape. First, second, first, second. Okay. The inner terms called means like this. 3 and 5a called the means. Means, the word means, okay, means the inner numbers. Okay, the inner terms. And the outer terms called extremes. Again, the outer terms called extremes. Okay, to simplify this, the product of the two binomials, okay, we are going to follow the next rule. This is the rule. We are going to simplify in a three terms. Okay, this one, the first term, is the product of the first by the first. Okay, and the last term is the product of the second by the second. And then the middle term, okay, we are going to multiply mean times mean and multiply extreme by extreme, and then we are going to add means plus extremes. Okay, let's follow the rule to multiply the previous example step by step with me. Okay, first I'm going to multiply the first term by the first term, 5a times 2a. It's equal 5 times 2 equals 10, and a times a equals a to the power of 2. Okay, then I'm going to multiply the second by the second. 3 times 1, which is equal positive 1. Okay, and we are going to leave a space and write it here, positive 3. In the middle term, I'm going to multiply the means together. The means means the inner terms. 3 times 5 equals 15. A. And the extremes together. 2 times 1 equal 2, and drop down a. Finally, I'm going to make them plus. 15 plus 2 equals 17. Then the final answer will be positive 17a. Okay, don't forget this rule. I'm going to use this rule in the following questions. First time first in the first term, second by second in the last term, in the middle multiply mean by mean, extreme by extreme, and make them plus. Okay, Let's solve the next one. I'm going to take this example with me, this rule with me. Okay. Don't forget to solve this one. We are going to multiply first by first, x times x, it's equal x power of 2, and then second by second equal positive 8. At the middle, I'm going to multiply the means, 2 times x, which is 2x, and the extremes, x times 4, which is 4x, and then add them. 2x plus 4x equal positive 6x. I think it's very easy. Okay, you just follow the rule. Next one, we have 5m minus 2 multiplied by 6m plus 1. Okay, I'm going to multiply 5m times 6m equal 30m to the power of 2, and then negative 2 times positive 1, it's equal negative 2. Don't forget the means together. Negative 2 times 6 equal negative 6m. The extremes together. 5 times 1 equals 5m. Don't forget to use plus. Negative 6 plus 5 equals negative 1. Again, negative 6 plus 5 equals negative 1. Then the middle term will be negative 1m. And here we have 1, okay, is useless. Then we are going to cancel this number, 1. Okay, then the final answer will be 30m power of 2 minus m minus 2. The next one, 2m by 3m equal 2x times 3x equal 6x to the power of 2, and then negative y times 4y. Don't forget we have here 1. Negative 1y times 4y, it's equal negative 4y to the power of 2. The means, and this is the extremes. The means here will be negative 1 times 3 equal negative 3xy. 2 times 4 equals 8xy. Okay, finally I'm going to add them. Negative 3 plus 8 equals 5. Then the middle term here will be positive 5xy. The next one, xy, x minus y multiplied by 7y minus x. We have here different situation. Okay, we have two letters x and y, and here we have y and x. The order here is not the same. Okay, then we are going to change the order of one of them. It's up to you. I'm going to change the first or the second. It's up to you. Okay, I'm going to change the second one. Then I will write the first term again, x, the first expression again, x minus y. Then I'm going to rearrange the second one. We have here 7y and the negative x. It will be negative x plus 7y. Okay, because 7y is positive, then I'm going to write positive here. Okay, then we follow the multiply as I explained before. First, I'm going to multiply x by negative x. We have here 1, and here also we have 1. 1 times negative 1 equal to negative 1 x power of 2, and then negative 1 y times 7y equal negative 7y to the power of 2. Then I'm going to evaluate the means and the extremes. The means here equal negative 1 times negative 1 equal positive 1 x y. The extremes, 1 times positive 7 equal 7 x y. Then plus 1 plus 7 equal 8. Then the middle term here equal positive 8 x y. Don't forget, write down y x y without change. Let's start with the first special case. In this example, we have 2x minus 3 multiplied by 2x plus 3. We note here that we have the same numbers, 2x, 2x, 3 and 3, but the difference in the middle sign, one of them plus and the other minus. This is called a special case. Special case what? Why? Okay, let's try to solve it without a new rule. Then we are going to notice why this one called special case. Okay, in this case, I'm going to multiply the first by the first, 2x by 2x, which is equal 4x to the power of 2, and negative 3 multiplied by positive 3, which is equal negative 9. In the middle term, I'm going to multiply the means together and the extremes together. We have here negative 3 times 2 equals negative 6x. 2 times 3 equal 6x. Negative 6x plus 6x equal to 0. Their result is 0. Then are going to cross them, and we haven't a middle term. So this one is a special case. Okay, in this one, if we have two brackets included the same number and the middle term are different, one of them negative and the other positive, then this is a special case. I'm going to do what? To multiply first by first, second by second, okay, without the middle term. Okay, let's see the rule. It will be like this: first times first, second times second, minus second times second. Okay, let's solve the first example. Okay, this is the rule, don't forget. First by first, second by second. In this example, find the result of each of the following. Okay, he doesn't call us this is a special case or not. We have to notice this by ourselves. Okay, we have here 4m minus 7 and 4m plus 7. 4m, negative 7, positive 7. This is a special case. Then I'm going to multiply first by first, second by second, okay, only. 4 times 4, 16, m to the power of 2, negative 7 times positive 7 equals 4, negative 49, and there isn't a middle term. Next one, 6x minus 2y, 6x plus 2y, this is a special case. Okay, I'm going to multiply first by first, equal 36x power of 2, second by second, negative 4y power of 2. I think it's very, very easy. Okay, the next one, 1 over 2 x minus 1 over 3y, and okay, and 1 over 2x plus 1 over 3y, this is a special case. Okay, we have here first times first and second times second. It will be 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 equals 1 over 4 x power of 2. Negative 1 over 3 times positive 1 over 3 equals negative 1 over 9 y to the power of 2. Okay, the next special case, if we have 3x plus y all to the power of 2, this bracket power of 2 means bracket time itself. Okay, again, this bracket means bracket 3x plus y times 3x plus y. So we can solve this one by two different ways. We can expand the bracket power of 2 into two brackets and then multiply by the previous rule, or we can use the next rule, and this is better to use, okay, because this rule is very important for us in the next year, inshallah, second prep. Okay, the rule will be like the follow. We are going to multiply first by first, or first by itself, and then multiply second by second, or second by itself. At the middle we have, okay, a new rule. We multiply 2 times first times second. When I say first, I mean 3x, this is the first term, and when I say second, I mean y. Okay, then 3x is the first and y is the second. Okay, let's solve this one by using this rule. It will be like this. 3x times 3x. 3 times 3 equals 9. X times x equal x to the power of 2. And I'm going to leave a space, and I'm going to multiply y times y. It will be positive y power of 2. Okay? Then this is the first by first, and this is second by second. At the middle, I'm going to multiply 2 times first times second. This one, I'm going to write it with the steps here as a draft. Okay, I'm going to multiply 2, open bracket, 3x, between brackets, y, and write down the answer here. Okay, you can use it, you can solve it mentally without this step. It will be 2 times 3 times 1, okay, equal positive 6, and write down x, y. The answer will be like this: 9x y x power of 2 plus 6xy plus y power of 2. Okay, the next one, let's bring this rule with us. In the example, find by inspection the expansion of each of the following. Find by inspection, it means use this rule. Okay, here we are going to multiply a plus b all power of 2 using this rule. Okay, don't forget a is the first, 3 is the second. Now I'm going to multiply first by first. A times a equals a to the power of 2, and then I'm going to multiply second by second, which is equal 3 by 3 equals 9. Okay, then at the middle I'm going to multiply 2 between brackets a between brackets 3. Okay, 2, we have here 1, 2 times 1 times 3 equal positive 6, and drop down a, then the final answer will be 6a. Then the result will be a power of 2 plus 6a plus 9 without this one. Okay, next one. 2x plus 3y all to the power of 2. First, I'm going to multiply 2x times 2x, 2 times 2, 4, x times x, x to the power of 2, and 3y times 3y, 3 times 3, positive 9, y times y, y to the power of 2. At the middle, don't forget, we are going to multiply 2 times 2x times 3y. Here 2 times 2 times 3 equal positive 12, and drop down x y. Next, the next one, we have here x, or as we used before, consider this one 1x, and I'm going to multiply it like this. 1x times 1x equal 1x to the power of 2. Negative 3y times negative 3y equal positive 9y to the power of 2. At the middle, 1x times 2 times 3 negative 3y. 2 times 1 times negative 3 equal negative 6, and xy dropped down. The next example, find the following product. This is a new idea. Okay, we need to learn here how to multiply binomial x plus 2 times expression more than 2. This one called trinomial. Okay, this one solved. Okay, we are going to solve this one by using the property of this distribution, which was explained in the previous lesson. In this case, we are going to distribute x among the whole bracket, and then 3 among the whole brackets. Step by step with me. X times x power of 2 equal x power 3. X times x equal positive x power of 2. And x times 1 equals, don't forget, there is 1 here. 1 times 1 equal positive 1. And write down x. This is the first step. The second step, I'm going to distribute 3 among the bracket. Distribute 3 means multiply 3 by the whole bracket. Don't forget we have here 1 and here we have 1. Okay, it will be 3 times 1 equal positive 3 and write down x power of 2, and 3 times 1 equal positive 3 and write down x. Finally 3 times 1 equal positive 3, and here we haven't the letters. Then of course there are like terms. Then we are going to collect the like terms. First I'm going to drop down x power 3 because there isn't any term like 2x power of 3. It will be like this, x power of 3, and we have here 1x power of 2 and positive 3x power of 2. 1 plus 3 equal positive 4. X power of 2. Finally positive 1x plus 3x equal positive 4 x, and drop down positive 3 because there isn't any term like 2, 3. Another example, number 2. Exactly the same way I'm going to distribute 2x by 4x power of 2 and negative 6x and 7 equal 2 times 4 equals 8, x power 1 x power of 2 equal x power of 3, 2 times negative 6 equals negative 12, x times x equals x power of 2, 2 times 7 equal positive 14, and write down x. Second step, I'm going to distribute 3 by 4x and by negative 6x and by 7. It will be 3 times 4 equal positive 12 x power of 2, 3 by negative 6 equal negative 18 x. Finally 3 times 7 equal positive 21, and then collect the like terms. I'm going to drop down 8x power of 3 like this, and we have here negative 12x power of 2 plus 12x power of 2. I'm going to cross them, and 14x like to negative 18x. 14 plus negative 18, it's equal negative 4 x. Finally I'm going to drop down positive 21. Next, in this example we are going to simplify this one, which included more than operation. First we have x minus 3 all power of 2. I'm going to expand this bracket power of 2, and then we have here minus 9. Then let's start. First I'm going to expand this bracket by using the rule first by first, 2 times first times second, second by second. Then x by x equal x to the power of 2. Negative 3 times negative 3 equal positive 9. In the middle term, as usual, I'm going to multiply 2 times x times negative 3. Here we have 1. 2 times 1 times negative 3 equal negative 6. It will be negative 6x. Okay, Then I'm going to drop down minus 9. Again, I'm going to drop down minus 9 here. Okay, and then collect the like terms together. X power of 2 hasn't like, it will be x power of 2. Negative 6x hasn't like, negative 6x. And 9 minus 9 equal to 0. Then the final answer will be x power of 2 minus 6x. Next, the next one. 2a multiplied by 5a plus 4b multiplied by 5a minus 4b. We have here three multiplications. Okay, هنا we multiply this term 2a by this bracket binomial 5a plus 4b and this binomial 5a minus 4b. We have two different ways. Some of us may multiply 2a by the first bracket and then simplify the two other brackets. Some of us start with the two brackets. I prefer to start with the brackets together. It's easier, okay, to multiply bracket times bracket and then multiply the result by 2a. Then first I'm going to multiply 5a plus 4b times 5a minus 4b. This is a special case. 5a times 5a and 4b times negative 4b. But I'm going to multiply them between brackets. 5a times 5a equals 25a to the power of 2. 4b times negative 4b equals negative 16b power of 2. Don't forget to drop 2a outside the brackets. Okay, now I have here 2a multiplied by this binomial. Then I'm going to distribute as I explained in the last lesson. 2a multiplied by 25a power of 2 and multiplied by 16b power of 2. It will be 2 times 25 equal to 50 a power of 3. 2 times negative 16 equals negative 32 a b to the power of 2. The next example, this one we have x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 2 minus x multiplied by x plus 1. First I'm going to solve to expand the first two brackets here, minus x times x plus 1 here, and then subtract them. Okay, x minus 2 times x plus 2, this is a special case. Then I'm going to multiply x by x and 2 by 2. It will be x times x equal x power of 2. Negative 2 times positive 2 equals negative 4. Don't forget, this is a special case. Here we have 1x times x, 1x times x equal x power of 2 or 1x power of 2. 1 times 1 equal positive 1x. Notes, I didn't use this negative sign. I used 1x, okay, because I dropped the negative here. Okay, the next step, I'm going to subtract x power of 2 minus 1x power of 2. X power of 2 minus x power of 2 equal to 0. Then I'm going to cross x power of 2 with x power of 2. And then I'm going to subtract negative 4 minus nothing. There isn't any number like to negative 4 here, then I will drop negative 4 like this. And then I'm going to subtract minus positive 1. Again, minus positive 1. Negative positive equals negative 1x. Don't forget to cancel this sign, this one, because we have x here. Okay, the next example. This one is also like the previous one. I'm going to expand the first two brackets here, between two brackets, minus bracket power of 2 here between two brackets. Okay, this one 2x minus y, 2x plus y, this is a special case. I'm going to multiply first by first and the second by second. 2 times 2 equals 4x power of 2. Negative 1 times positive 1 equals negative 1y power of 2. Here I'm going to multiply x minus 2y by using the rule first by first. X by x equal x power of 2. Second by second, negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4y power of 2. Don't forget the middle term, 2 by 1x by negative 2y here. It will be 2 times 1 times negative 2 equals negative 4 x by y x y. And then we are going to subtract. Here we have 1. 4 x power of 2 minus 1 equal 3 x power of 2. Here we have negative 1y power of 2 minus positive 4y power of 2. Negative 1 minus positive 4 equal negative 5y power of 2. Finally, minus 4. Again, minus 4 equal positive 4xy. Again, minus 4 equals 4xy. Okay, let's solve the next example. And this is the last one. Here we need the middle term in the expression 3x minus 1 all power of 2. This one, to solve this one, we are going to use the rule first by first and second by second and 2 times first times second and the middle. Then the middle term here will be 2 as we took before, 2 times 3x times negative 1. Okay, it will be 2 times 3 times negative 1 equals negative 6x. Next, the next one, x power of 2 equals 26. This is an equation. And x power of 2 plus y power of 2 equals 20. Find xy. Okay, this one is the most complicated complete, but I'm going to solve you because some supervisors prefer to bring this one in the exam. X plus y all power of 2 equals 26. I'm going to solve this one, okay, by using the rule first by first, 2 times first times second, second by second. It will be x by x equal x power of 2. Okay, 2 times x times y equal positive 2xy plus second by second y times y, y power of 2. Okay, and then I'm going to drop equal and drop 26. Here we have a given x power of 2 plus y power of 2 equal 20. Again, x power of 2 plus y power of 2 equal 20. Then here we have x power of 2 and y power of 2. Then I'm going to replace x power of 2 plus y power of 2 from here by 20. Okay, then the next step, I will write 2xy and instead of x power of 2 plus y power of 2, I'm going to write 20 plus 20. Y plus 20 because it's positive, and here 2x power of 2 plus y power of 2 plus 2xy, plus x power of 2 plus y power of 2. Then I drop down the plus here. Okay, and I will drop down 26 at the previous step. Now we have an equation. We have in this equation 2 multiplied by xy and positive 20. Okay, we used to send the plus from the right side, from the left side to the right side as minus, then positive 20 go to the other side as minus 20. Then the next step will be 2x y equal 6. Then I'm going to send 2 to the other side as divided by 2. It will be xy equals, xy equals 3, and this is the final answer to this one. Don't forget to write the answer here, 3. Okay, the next one is also complete. If we have 2x plus y all to the power of 2, after expanding this bracket, we found 4x power of 2 plus kxy plus y power of 2. K here represent the middle term. The middle term, then k equal 2 times 2x times 1y, which represents the middle term from this bracket, which is equal 2 times 2 times 1 equals 4 xy, then k here equals 4 because we have already xy. The next one, x minus 3 plus 3 times x minus 3 times x plus 3 equal x power of 2 positive k. Now to expand this one, we have to know that this one is a special case. Then x times x equal x power of 2, and the negative 3 times positive 3 equal negative 9. Then negative 9 is the value of k. Then k equals what? Equals the negative 9. The next one, 2x minus 1 all power of 2. To expand this bracket, we multiply 2x by 2x first by first, which is equal 4x power of 2. Next, to solve this one, we are going to use the mental way. X by x first by first equal x power of 2, second by second. 5 times what equals 15. Again, 5 times 1 what equal 15. 5 times 3, and here we have 3, and then the means and extremes because this one is not a special case. 5x 5 times x equals 5x. X times 3 equals 3x. Then we are going to add them. 3x plus 5x equals 8x. Okay, and this is the end of the lesson. I hope it was useful for you. See you in the next video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.